Keep in mind that there are three types of people in the world. Number one, who changes after the change. Number two, who changes with the change. And number three, who changes before the change. There are three types of mindsets in the world. And if I say that there are three types of countries in the world, so I may not be wrong. Number one, the first type, who changes after the change. These are the people who do not create an idea, and I can say who are not the real contributor, who are not the idea creator. And they always wait for others to create something, to make an idea, to invent something, or to discover something. And these people are not financially sound, these people are not financially strong. And you will always find these people in Pakistan, in India, in Bangladesh, and in Afghanistan. The second type, who changes with the change. These are the people who are financially strong, who are financially sound. And they buy all the necessities which they need. If they need a mobile, they buy iPhone for themselves. If they need a car, they buy Mercedes, Lamborghini, or whatever a brand comes in their mind, they buy for themselves. And you will always find these kind of people in UAE, in Qatar, in Gulf countries, and in developed countries. Can anybody tell me who discovered or who invented this phone? Who made this company? Can anybody tell me? Yes? Steve Jobs, right? Have you ever heard that the founder of Apple or the founder of Samsung is basically from Pakistan? Have you ever heard? The founder of Apple or Steve Jobs is basically from Peshawar. Have you ever heard? No. We all do not create an idea. We all are not idea creators. We just wait for others that someone will come, he'll make a mobile for us, or he will discover a new car for us, he will invent a new thing for us, and then we will buy those things for ourselves. The third type, those people who change before the change. These are those kind of people whom I can say, for whom we all call, who are expensive people, who are the contributor, who are the real game changers, who are the real idea makers, who are the real idea creators. And the main point, the main thing of my topic that I want to discuss with you guys is that you all have to become the third one. You all have to change before the change. And for changing before the change, like I'll give you an example that here will be students of matric. He might be the student of 2 class, he might be the student of 3 class, he might be the student of 9th class. So the student of 9th class or the student of matric, if he knows that if I go to college, so in my college, the language of the books will be English. So for being proactive, you have to plan from now. You have to do advanced threat analysis. And the main thing you have to do, you have to be educated, you have to gain more knowledge, and you have to be connected with the mysteries of the knowledge, with the treasures of the knowledge. Means you all should know what is English, you all should improve your skills, you all should improve your speaking skill, listening skill, reading skill and writing skill, and you all should improve in computer language. Means you all should know what is computer, how to use computer, and you all should get access to the worldwide universities or the treasures of the knowledge like YouTube, like Google, like computer, and like English. You all have to learn English, you all have to learn what is computer and how to get access to the worldwide universities and how to get access to the treasures of knowledge. And when you educate yourself and when you plan from now for your success and for your direction, so then I can say that you will become proactive and you will become the man before your age. Thank you very much. Thank you. Sir, you want to say something? Female first.